In this video, I will walk you through the Learnyst platform and show you how easily you can sell your courses securely from your own branded websites and mobile apps. Let's see how to sell your courses securely with the Learnyst platform.
Let's go to the Learnyst website and click on the free trial option. Here you can enter your institute name, email address, phone number and click on the Get Started button. And this takes you to the Get Started page. Now let's click on the dashboard. Here you will get a bird's eye view of your academy's performance, like the total course sales, the total products you have made and the total number of learners in your academy. Now let's see how to create a course in your academy. To do that, let's go to the products and click on courses. Click on the create button and here enter your course name, set a course price or make it free and make sure you select the make it encrypted option. This way your contents can't be downloaded or pirated using any hacking tools. And once done, click on create. So this takes you to the course builder. Here you can add sections, give a proper section name and add your lessons within each section. Let's see how to add the video lesson. To do that, let's click on the video lesson. Here you can embed your lessons in the form of YouTube or Vimeo embed links, or you can upload the video directly from your system as an MP4 format. And once you have done, click on the save button to save the changes. In a similar way, you can add lessons like audios, PDFs, PPTs, articles and Scrum and Tin Can contents. To add live classes within your course, click on the live video option and here you can integrate your Zoom meeting or Zoom webinar, or you can choose to embed your live classes like YouTube Live, Facebook or Google Meet in your live class. And once done, you can again click on save. You can also add section quizzes within your course by clicking on the section quiz option. Here you can add multiple question types like MCQs, numeric, essay and fill in the blanks, or you can choose to import your questions directly using the Word or Excel import option. Once you have enabled contents, you can click on the certification and enable certificates for your course. You can send lessons in sequential fashion to your students by enabling the content dripping option. Next, you can click on the publish status to publish your course. Before that, go to the branding and here you can enter your course name, short description, long description, add course images, set a course validity date, set course price, enable discounts, add instructor info, FAQs and so on. All these elements will essentially build your attractive course sales page, and this is very important if you want to sell your courses to your students. Once you have added all the details within your course and you're ready to publish, go to the publish status and click on the live option and hit the publish button to make your course live. To see how your course will look to your students, go back to your admin dashboard and click on the view as learner option. Here you will be able to see your published course and you will be able to see your course sales page already built with all the details you have provided. Now students can click on the buy now button, make the course payments and access your lessons from your own branded academy. Now if someone tries to download your videos using any plugins, then the encryption will prevent it from happening. Similarly, if someone tries to screen record your videos, then a black screen will appear and prevent the screens from being recorded. So this way, with encryptions, your course contents are secure.
Next, let's see how to create and publish your mock tests.
To create a mock test, click on the mock tests and click on create. Here you can enter your exam name, give it a price and click on create. Here you will find a wide variety of actual exam templates like CAT, UPSC, CSAT, IIT, SSC, IBPS and many more. If you're someone preparing students for competitive exams and want to replicate the actual exams with your mock tests, you can select any of these templates. Right now, let's select a general template and click on create. Here you can add multiple question types like MCQs, numeric, essay, and fill in the blank. You can add the questions one by one or import the questions in bulk using the Word or Excel template. You can also create your question pool and build a repository of questions and import from the question pool. Here is how to do this. You can go to your admin dashboard, click on the question pool option and create a question pool. Click on the question pool. Now click on import questions, select the Word import, click on next and download the Word template. Within this Word template, you can create multiple question types like MCQs, provide answer explanations, add mathematical equations, add images within the answer options, even add multiple question types like numerical questions, fill in the blanks, and essay type questions. Once you have prepared your Word template, click on the upload file, select the Word template in .html format and click on upload. Now click next and click on the publish button to import all your questions within your question pool. Now you can see all the questions within your question pool. Now go back to your test, click on import from pool option and now import all the questions from the question pool. So you can simply upload questions within the question pool only once and you can reuse these questions across all the tests using the question pool. So this is really an efficient way to create your mock tests. Once you have added all the questions within your quiz and you're ready to publish, click on the publish status. Now you can make the quiz live or you can even schedule the quiz for a particular date and time. Other than this, you can add branding information to your quiz like your quiz name, short and long description, quiz image, add pricing information, set the quiz validity, price, and you can go to the quiz features and here you can create a timed quiz by setting an overall quiz duration. Now other than that, you can enable leaderboards and you can enable mock test templates. Select this option if you have selected any of the actual mock exam templates. This way you can actually replicate the real world exams with this option. You can randomize your questions, you can set a percentile ranking, create difficulty levels, enable calculator and even enable answer shuffles. So this way every student will see a different answer option. Once done, you can click on save and then you can add the grading information, instructor page, FAQs and so on. And finally, once you're satisfied, you can click on the publish status, click on live and click on publish to finally publish your test. Now students can go to your academy and click on take test. They can click on start test. Now students can answer the questions just like they would do in a real world exam with the timers and answer multiple questions. Once a student submits the exams, they will get the complete analytics of their performance. They can view their overall scores, their accuracy percentage, and even analyze how well they have done across multiple sections. They can get a time and score analysis and even get a topic-wise report that will show how much marks they have scored across each topics. And finally, you can sell multiple products like courses, mock tests, and test series together inside a bundle and make an attractive offer for your students to buy from you.
So now that you have created your products, it's time to customize your website. Let's see how to do that.
Let's click on the website builder and now click on the build my website page. And now click on the plus sign to get started. To build your branded website from scratch, you can select the layouts option and you can choose from 128 plus ready-made available website templates here. So right now, let's select a website template that we like. Once you have selected the template, you can click on the replace global styling and click on import this template. You can now customize this template according to your brand. To replace a brand logo, click on the branded logo, click on the image icon and simply upload your custom logo. Similarly, to replace an image on your website, click on the image, select the image icon and replace it with your own custom image. Other than that, you can replace the existing text within your website and replace it with a message you want to showcase to your students. To add an existing block, you can click on the plus symbol, and select from over 502 blocks available within the website builder. Or you can choose to create your own block. To add a new element, you can click on the plus symbol on the right hand side, and here you can choose from a wide variety of elements like text, button, icons, image, and many more. This way you can customize each and every block within your layout. Similarly, you can add multiple pages. For example, you can add different pages like pricing, about us, and link them within your website. And once you're satisfied with what you have, you can go ahead and click on the update button. And finally, to see your completed website, you can click on the preview option to see the changes.
Now let's see how to market your courses and mock tests.
You will find all the marketing features within the marketing tab. Using the built-in marketing tools like the Messenger, news feeds, coupon codes, and refer and earn, you can market your courses very easily to your students. Other than this, you can integrate third-party business and marketing tools like Google Analytics, Zapier, Facebook Pixel to run your business smoothly and to generate more revenue from your business and marketing campaigns. You can add your students and manage your team within Learnyst. You can do that by clicking on the Users tab, and here you'll be able to manage both your students and your sub-admins. To add a student to your academy or to your course, you can click on the Learners tab, and here you can use the import feature to import students to your products using ready-made Excel import template. Similarly, you can click on the sub-admins and create specific roles for specific members within your team and manage your team. You can also use the Manage tab and manage your course reviews, resolve student doubts with discussions, handle support tickets, and create categories and segments to group related products together. You can use the community feature to build a student community around your content and create meaningful and engaging discussions. Having your own community will increase your brand's repute and trust among students.
Now with your content and marketing channels ready, let's see how to set up your payment gateways and start collecting payments.
Click on the settings within your academy, and here you can click on the payment gateways. You can click on the select payment gateway option, and here you can change your currency, and depending on the currency you have chosen, you will find multiple payment gateways like InstaMojo, CC Avenue, PayUmoney, Razorpay, and HDFC, and many more. You can also set a pricing model in your academy wherein you can sell your courses as a one-time payment, or you can set a subscription plan wherein you can collect recurring monthly or yearly payments from your students. Once you have integrated the payment gateways and decided on the pricing model, you can go to the branding within the settings, and you can add your academy name, your institute logo, page title, favicons, social media links, and finally click on Save.
And finally, to secure your contents, you can explore the security add-ons.
To enhance your security a step further, you can go to the add-ons and use the anti-piracy packs. Here, you can watermark your videos and PDFs with learner verified emails and phone numbers. This stops them from externally recording your course content for the fear of getting their identities revealed. You can also mandate a two-step password and OTP authentication for student logins. The additional OTP makes it difficult for unauthorized students to log in and access your course contents. You can track student device IPs from your admin dashboard. If there are frequent device logins from different IPs, you can warn such learners. Lastly, you can use the watch time restriction and set a fixed watch hour limit for your courses per student. This prevents students from sharing their credentials with their friends as their individual watch hour is limited.
Now with all these steps covered, let's see how your finished websites and products will look to your students. That's it. I hope I've given everything you need to sell your courses securely from your own branded websites and mobile apps. Since 2015, over 3,000 plus educators have used Learnyst to sell their courses securely. So rest assured, you are in safe hands. And you have got this. So get started today with a 14 days free trial and see for yourself the impact you will make by sharing your knowledge and building your brand online with Learnyst. If you want a more detailed one-to-one demo, contact our sales team. They'll be happy to help you out.